Offroad.
Offroad.
Good job. I love you.
I love you.
Hello, we got an update on...
This is the Jeep, this is the YJ.
Yo, update on the YJ. Yo, YJ update. Hey, what's up? Check it out. Update on the YJ. Sanded for the past 2 days, got it all tore down, getting it ready to go. We have a couple of weeks left until EJS. We still got to paint it. We got all of the rhino liner off that we need to get it off. We got the engine done. The engine is in and fired up, ready to go, just waiting on a radiator. That's about it. Stay tuned.
It was wheeling pretty good. There was a couple times I was like, oh. No.
So how do you not know how much nitrous you're shooting?
Well, funny story. I know the jet size, but I'm not 100% sure what it is.
Yeah.
And it's tucks it in there.
Forged pistons, rods?
No, it's got some in there though.
Now, but before it didn't.
No, that one is, it's a factory bottom end.
Really?
So I got Texas speed up top. That's about it.
So man, that thing looks neat, dude. Like, so do you hit your NOS and then go?
Throttle first, then the nitrous.
So do you have to hit it, or is it with your pedal?
No, I've got this second switch down here. I got it here so I can quickly throw it into neutral if I need to.
So you purge it when you open?
Yeah, so I get all the... I got it here so when I have to hit neutral it's not die.
So is that necessary, or is it just sick? And it's sick. Yeah, it's so sick.
And then you're like, you got it, and hold that, or do you just press it?
I push it for probably a half a second every time.
Wow, and it does that with half a second.
It's really quick. Yeah. You can hear in the video, you can just hear it go, and that's it.
Wow.
I can't, I mean,
We're trying to get him to put NOS in his.
I know.
Yeah.
That's sick.
So sick.
It's nice to talk to somebody that's actually done it.
Yeah.
And likes it.
The wheel speed is unmatched.
Oh man.
And it's light switch.
Yeah.
Yeah, the turbo is quick. Nitrous is quicker.
Yeah.
Can we? I want to see your motor. Can we see
Yeah,
it?
I'd love to look at it.
I've never seen the 5-3 raffle.
Really?
No.
I need it. I got you. Yeah, the paint should still be freaking
So where's the injector?
right.
Oh,
we're just in the intake.
really?
Yeah. In Mickey's.
Can you take our picture?
Yeah. Here, I got it. Okay, turn the flash on. All right, yeah.
Flash is ready. You don't need a flash, it's daylight.
Cool, man. Sweet.
You got a name.
The nitrous guy.
The nitrous guy.
That's what I said. You pulled up and they're like, "We're gonna go," and I was like,
You gotta stay.
watch this." I said, "We want to hang out for a minute, guys." I see John drive. Don't worry, I just got done with the drivers meeting. We are gonna hit 21 road today. We got a bunch of guys. We got the aluminum YJ with us. It's gonna be a good time. A lot of experience, guys. It's gonna be fantastic.
not the line.
So Rory,
Yes, sir.
I'm going to tell you how to drive through that.
Okay, all right. You should tell me how not to, because you're pretty good at that.
That's very true. So step one, do not do anything I just did.
Okay.
Nothing.
Perfect.
Alright, this won't work.
Thanks for letting me drive, Dad.
Put back together. I knew you were gonna bring that up.
So no nitrous on this one, and then he's going to turn the nitrous on, and you guys see how violent it actually is. That thing runs pretty good, even without nitrous, so that's awesome. All right, this time's with nitrous. So 250 shot really wakes that thing up. Oh my.
Hey, you guys watch out, because if it does pop out early.
Get light. Get real light.
No, wrong way. Yep. Once you're there, you can't back up.
Have him back up. That's way easier. Hey! Woo!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love
the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.